just late enough.
Holy shit!
Bouncing. It's
At least got let there be light.
I'm breaking out!
At least we know if you ever get stuck in a box, you'll be able to get out.
Yeah. Give him a sledgehammer.
There's your first piece.
There's a door.
Oh, please, God, don't cut yourself.
No sound effect for that one?
Huh?
No sound effect for that
Oh
one?
my god, I can't make sound effects for all of them.
That's